Welcome back. Welcome back. Daniel Parsons here, Prife International Independent Business Owner. And I want to go on screen share and show you the USA Christmas promotion that's available from today, 8th of December, until the end of the year, the 31st of December. Let me go on screen share and pull that up for you. Entire window. Now, okay, so here we go. Silver promotion: buy an iTeraCare Classic or 7 Wonders Water or Negative Ion Shield, or 6 packages of the EMF shields, or the combination 3 EMF shield packs and 3 Renew patches. All of those products I just talked to you about, except for the iTeraCare Classic blower, are $350 silver level purchases, and they give you a spot in the company. And I am your leader as far as business building goes. I've been at this since January 2022, not long after the company opened in the USA. So the Prife iTeraCare Classic blower is $380. So you choose which one of these products you want. And for only $111, Prife will give you 1 ion shield. It's like an electronic mask. And I'll show you mine in just a second. Plus, they're going to give you free 2 EMF shield packages and 2 Renew patch packages as stocking stuffers. Okay. So if you do the, let's say, 1 ion shield, so for $350 plus another $111 is going to be $461. Then you would get 2 ion shields, and you would get these stocking stuffers here, the EMF shields and the Renew patches. Or if you do the iTeraCare Classic blower at $380 plus $111, it's going to be $491. And then you're going to get 1 blower, and then 1 negative ion pendant, and then these 2 stocking stuffers. So I hope I made that clear. The way to get a hold of me is on Telegram. You can reach me, and that's in the lower left-hand corner, it says Daniel Parsons on Telegram, and there is my phone number, 360 USA, which is the 1 for the country code, 360-383-0265. And you can reach me when I'm traveling overseas, which I do frequently. I'm married to a wonderful lady that's from Chile. So that's in South America. And you can also go to my website where I have all of these products in the shop, and I'm sharing the screen to there now. And so you would just hit the shop button, and you can research all of these products right here. I even have the crystal tube replacement if somebody breaks their 1.0 classic crystal tube. I'm going to put the 2.0 crystal tube up on the site soon also. But anyway, so there you have it. And we will do videos shortly of the gold package and the diamond package. Bye for now.